Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm really excited to share with you that I'm going to be hosting another Sunrise Clean With Me challenge. This is for fall 2018 and it is going to be right before Thanksgiving, so that will be November 20th. And this is going to have the focus of entertaining. So what kind of things you do before you host a gathering, or you just have some type of dinner or a game night, something along those lines. And this is perfect, I think, right before the holidays. And a lot of us are putting so much pressure on ourselves to get everything done or whatever it is. And I want to encourage you to delegate. So that is really the focus of this, and whatever way it is that you delegate. So I would love to hear your ideas, what kind of things that you focus on that you want to have done before you entertain. And I would ask that the video be no longer than 10 minutes. And also I will have a playlist for you to link your video to that Monday prior, which will be the 19th. And so all of this information will be in my description box below. If you have any more questions about it, I just ask that you put Sunrise Clean With Me Challenge Fall 2018 Entertaining Edition, and again, I'm going to have all of this in the description box below. That way it makes it easy to search for your video and that everybody knows what type of video this is going to be about. And please, in your video, do mention my channel, that I am hosting it, and also link my channel in your description box below, and also the playlist for this. That way other people can find all of the videos that have to do with this and those who have uploaded. So I really hope that those of you who have channels are excited to participate in this. I know that I look forward to entertaining, especially after this whole renovation. It's just something that I miss. Mopping floors. I miss doing all of those things that have to do with cleaning, really, because it feels like things have been in such a state of upheaval that I haven't been able to really enjoy it. So that is what I am looking forward to. I hope you are as well. And until next time, I hope that you all take care and have a beautiful day. Bye, everyone.